How to choose a CFD broker. When trading contracts for difference, it's important to choose the right CFD provider. There's a number of CFD providers to choose from, meaning CFD traders have a range of choices. But choice can be confusing. Choosing a CFD provider should come down to a number of considerations, other than simply dealing commissions and margins alone. However, you'd be forgiven for believing these were the most important prerequisites, given the big emphasis placed on headline-grabbing ultra-low spreads and margins. Generally, most people look for the best commission rates, a reliable trading platform, and widest product range. However, there are many other aspects of a CFD provider which you should consider. With the CFDs gaining in popularity and in press coverage, here are some useful guidelines to help you choose the CFD provider that's right for you. There are different types of CFDs, depending on the CFD provider you are dealing with. These are not standardized products, and each provider can have different brokerage rates, interest rates, dealing platforms, and so on. CFD margin rates also differ from one provider to another, so it's usually best to check out the respective provider's website to see what their margin rates are. As a general rule, you can trade shares listed on the main indexes with most CFD brokers with only a 5 to 20% deposit requirement. You need to examine the features provided and find the trading platform that satisfies your needs. It will depend on the markets you want to trade, the size of your trading account, the frequency of your trading, and whether you need direct market access. In addition, different CFD brokers have different strengths and weaknesses. CFD providers also have different features, different commission rates, and may even have different stock CFDs or markets. Unfortunately, it's hard to find everything you're after in one package, and it usually pays to have accounts with different brokers. Although, then of course, you need to have funds in both accounts for trading. Here's the main points to consider before choosing a CFD broker. Margin percentages. This could range from anything between 1% and 75%. Commission charges. This could vary from 0% to a fixed amount. The trading platform. Make sure the platform is reliable and offers a good charting software. What markets do you intend to trade? Check out the CFD provider and the number of CFDs available to trade. How do you want to trade? If you intend to trade stocks, you need to decide whether you want to trade CFDs through a market maker or direct market access. Do you want to be able to guarantee your stop losses? If you do, then you need to find a provider that offers guaranteed stop loss orders, as some don't offer this feature. As a parting note, choose your CFD provider like you would choose your stockbroker. With many CFD providers vying for your business, you should do your homework and choose carefully who you deal with.